back. So today I'm going to unbox this. This one is the Samsung Z Fold 3 5G Slim PC full body case cover with a tempered glass. So I got this out of eBay with my own money for $12.99, free shipping and tax and everything. Total is $14.13. So anyway, I got my Z Fold 3 over here. So last time I purchased the green case with the kickstand on the back, but unfortunately the kickstand will prevent me from wireless charging. So that's why I returned that case. So hopefully this case will solve that problem. But unfortunately this case does not come with the kickstand. So anyway, but it has a glass screen protector on the front. So let's go ahead and open this up and show you guys the product. So somehow the box looks like the green case. Yes, it's a carbon fiber finish look. Maybe come with from the same manufacturer or something. So, and it has two of this foam along the side. So it has a AI autofocus. And the glass is pre-installed. So I will need to clean this original one and then slap it on there so it could sit correctly. Yeah, as you can see, it's a fingerprint magnet. So let me go ahead and wipe it clean. Unfortunately, it doesn't come with the alcohol wipe. So lucky I got some of this alcohol wipe from other product that I saved up. So that looks pretty clean, but I gotta let it dry up. Normally you want to use a microfiber cleaning cloth. Yeah, let me go get my microfiber cleaning cloth. So I'm going to peel this off. Somehow this sticker is not peeling the film off. That's why I see all those bubble in there. So anyway, I'm gonna wipe the backing. So the camera with this alcohol wipe. And my fiber cleaning cloth. Yeah, so much better. Because every time when I try to open this, I'm afraid because the original case is very slippery. Sometimes I'm afraid my fingernail is gonna dig into the inner display, because the inner display is made of plastic, so that's why it's flexible. Yeah, I gotta learn how to take this out. See all those plastic bubble, but let me try to get the film out. Alright, so I finally remove it, so there's no bubble at all. Okay? It was a pain to remove this film. I also cleaned the inner display. Hopefully you guys give a thumbs up, like the video. Please be sure to hit the subscribe button, turn on the bell for notification, or drop any other comments on below. By the way, this video is not sponsored by this company. So anyway, I'll see you guys on the next video. Like always, peace.